what else would you say that someone's got to prep before one of these trips, whether that be physically or mentally?
Well, what we would love everybody to do is actually read all our materials because it tells you not just what to pack and what the weather's going to be like, but also culturally the kinds of behavior that might be different from whatever you're used to at home. And it tells you about the community that we're there serving alongside. So for us, that is really fantastic for people who will take the time to do it. But again, we've noticed something like 80% of people don't. A lot of times it's because, hey, maybe a girls' book club is coming. The main contact who signed everybody up, she may have read everything, but everybody else thought they'd get around to it, never did. So while we would love for everybody to prep themselves that way because it helps them prep emotionally and not just in terms of, again, what to pack, but in terms of setting their expectations in terms of what they're about to experience and eliminate any sort of fear or nervousness because you realize, hey, I'm going to have the internet and connectedness and clean water to drink and all that going to be provided. So it just eases some of your concerns. That said, we know there are a lot of people who don't, and we're ready for you. And we will up to speed on arrival if you just don't have time to prep ahead of time. But we hope you do.
Certainly.